Rain had drenched Umredkar Handla Wildlife Sanctuary that morning. The afternoon was sultry as we neared this waterhole. Suddenly, there was movement. Dhole, Indian wild dogs, a whole pack of them. Dholes don't store kills, they consume rapidly and communally. Suddenly, the leader notices us. With such small muzzles, it's amazing how these hunters take down sambar and corn. Incredibly cooperative hunters, dholes are highly social animals and extremely caring. In our obsession with tigers, we forget that with deforestation, human persecution, and diseases from domestic dogs like rabies and canine distemper, dholes are going extinct in the wild.